Today we are trying something different, and I want to see if that actually really works, because I've been watching videos of people doing it. So I also want to check if it really works, and I hope it does, because it does work in their videos. So today we want to clean my oven using my oven stroke microwave, using only 3 products, without water, without soap, only using this: vinegar, baking powder, and lemon. And of course I'm going to have a sponge for cleaning. This one, it's a very soft one, it's a very soft sponge. So let's try. But before then, I want to show you how dirty my oven is, or how greasy it is, so that by the end of it you're able to tell or to differentiate if it's really clean or not. I have this. Can you see? It's all clean, very white. Let me see. Okay, so we are first going to remove this. This is very dirty. Obviously you can see that is very dirty. Here, let me put it there for now. We're also going to remove this ones, and now check the inside. Can you see how dirty that is? It's very dirty. So I want us to clean with you. Yes. So I normally use this oven or microwave to warm food, like it's used as a microwave, and of course to do baking, to grill maybe meat and all that. So it's also an oven, it's a microwave. So can you see, I want you to take a close look at how it is. I haven't cleaned it for a while, because I really wanted so bad to try this. So that's how dirty it is. And I now want to mix the 3 things and start cleaning. So I've been applying the mixture for like 10 minutes and trying to rub it all over. Yeah, I don't know, nowhere they have ever mentioned you should wait like for any given time, but I'm just going to give it like 10 minutes so that it can cook inside. It can cook inside. Yeah, and maybe I don't know why, but I don't know, but let me just give it 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, just see how dirty it was. So this is what I used, or what remained after scrubbing. So I want to do some wiping and see if it's going to be greasy, but I can already feel it feels very clean. Do you know that feeling of cleanliness? Like, I don't know if you can hear the sound, but there is a feeling of cleanliness, like you can feel. But let's wipe. let's do a final test to see if it's really clean. Oh, okay. Can you see it's very clean? And if I touch this, there's no grease on my hand. No grease on my hand. Nothing. So I can say it's yes, it works.